Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel, which is Tech and Non-Tech with Sumit Odar with another update. So before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and you can follow me in my social media, Facebook and Instagram, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start the video. So today notification is given by CSIR, Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research, Nagpur, for the various posts. And then post number 1 is for the project assistant, and the number of position is 39. And for this total number of position 39, project title also given over here. So before we go into it, we'll go for the essential qualification, number of post and all that. So the total out of 39, it is further classified based on their essential qualification. And for the qualification, Bachelor of Science with / or honors in geology, for them the total number of vacancy is 9. Total vacancy is 9. And for the Bachelor of Science with honors in chemistry, total number of vacancy is 10. And for the diploma in mechanical engineering, total number of vacancy is 10. And for the diploma in mining engineering and also desirable experience in rock mechanics and rock engineering excavations practices, total number of vacancies 7. And for the diploma in computer science / IT, total number of posts is 2. And for the diploma in electronics and engineering, total number of posts 1. So total 39 posts is there for the project assistant, and for them the monthly stipend is 20,000 per month. And this also based on their qualification and project number in the last column mentioned for each post. For separate vacancy number, it is given over here, and corresponding to this project number, project title also mentioned here. So the title of project for the project number 88,480,82,83,84, third party coal quality monitoring projects at different sites of mines and power plants. Similarly, just look into your educational qualification and for which category you are eligible. Corresponding to that, just look at in the last column your project number and go to the starting, and corresponding to that project number you just check what is the project title. Once you get selected, you will be assigned that particular project title for research process, for research work. So this is for the project assistant. And for the next, for the name of position is project associate grade 1, and for them the monthly stipend is 25,000. And this, and for the gate, CSIR UGC net qualified will be the getting 31,000. For the gate or CSIR UGC net qualified candidate will be getting 31k, and remaining non-gate qualified will be getting 25k. For them also this is further classified based on their project title and their educational qualification, which is given in details over here. Project title and then project number. So just go down and just look into it, the number of posts, and for according to your essential educational qualification, what is the total number of posts in the first column, and what is the project number for that corresponding column. And just go to the up and check which project title you will be getting if you get selected. So this is for the project associate 1, and the last position is project associate 2. Project 2, and for them the monthly stipend is 28k for non-qualified candidate, and for the GATE qualified and UGC NET qualified will be getting the 35k. And for them also title of the project is given and corresponding to their educational qualification. Project number is given. Just look into it, whichever category you fall in or you are eligible, go to the app and just check it, which title of the project you will be getting if you get selected according to your essential educational qualification. And it is given for the okay, so this was the 3 category for which CSIR is going to recruit temporary basis for 1 year or at the till completion of the project. So whichever is earlier will be counted, and this for this the candidate has to fill the online form. Okay, I'll just go to the scroll down. I'll put this PDF link in my descriptions. You can go there and you can take the printout of this application form. This you are supposed to take printout if you are eligible and you are filling the offline form. Then you have to take print of this application form. You have to fill out all the details and you have to send it to their address. The address is also given over here. I'll tell you the address. So the address where you are supposed to send is this, and you have to write all the details like your educational qualification, advertisement number, and which level you are eligible. You please mention over the envelope before you send it to their office, otherwise will be rejected by default. So the last date to receive application in the office is 13th of August 2021. I'll highlight it so that will be easy. So this is the last date to apply, 13th of August 2021 before 5:30 p.m. should reach to their office. Means you have to send it before 13th of August, and then don't forget to mention the advertisement number, subject like geology, applied geology, civil, and level on the sealed envelope of application. Otherwise office will not be liable for that. And please you write all the information which is necessary to get accepted by them. So I'll just put light on some important points. And okay, so I'll tell you the age for the various posts, and for maximum 50 years for project assistant, and maximum 35 years for project associate, and age relaxation is also there as per their guidelines. So you just go and check it out. And the important list of enclosures of photocopies you need to attach with the application. So I'll just dictate it out. So for the number 1, the mark sheet and passing certificate of matriculation as a proof of date of birth. Second document you need to send is mark sheet and or passing certificate of intermediate +2, and third document mark sheet and passing certificate of BSc or diploma level 1, and mark sheet and certificate of MSc or BTech for the level 2. Other educational and experience certificates if you have, and if you think that can add advantages in your selection, then you please post it with your application. And then valid caste, those who are seeking for the reservation, valid caste certificate for SC/ST candidate, and for non-creamy layer also you have to send the certificate. And then for update EWS certificate issued by the competent authority, so recent certificate you need to send it. So these are the important document you have to attach with your application before you send it. So these are the important document you have to attach along with your applications. And already I told you last date is 13th of August. Before that your applicants should reach to their office. Address also I told you, and this is the last page you have to take print out. This is the offline application form, you need to fill it. You have to put it inside the envelope and you have to write all the information above the envelope before you send it, and what are the things you need to write. Everything is mentioned over here in this PDF. I'll put it link of this PDF in my description, so you need not to go anywhere for reading or checking out related to these vacancies. You can go directly to my descriptions and you can read it out and you can take it out print also. So this was the information, recruitment information given by the Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research, Nagpur. With this I'm signing out. Another update. Till then, bye bye.